Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mathswala Suraj Mato, and today I have bought another video for you, and I'm going to start with the Okta tutorial playlist. And for anyone who don't know Okta, what is Okta? Okta is simply identity access management, and in many organizations we use Okta for authentication purpose. Apart from it, user management and use it as service provider, identity provider, and all that. But for any new user, you to use it is not that easy. They need to go through the lot of research documentations. Also the documentations made by Okta is not up to date as per their application, and many a times AI tools such as ChatGPT, Gemini will guide you in a wrong way. I have personally experienced that, so on that basis I'm saying to you. So I have think that as I have gained experience of all these things, so why not make a tutorial that will be going to help many people all over the world. So, like in this, we are going to cover many things such as user management, and apart from it, how to use it as a service provider, identity provider. Also, it support various protocols such as OIDC, SAML. So, how we can use that for our application. All these things we are going to see in upcoming videos. So by covering all the topics, I will be going to give you practical demonstration of it, like how to use step-by-step guide. So basically you will save your time by watching these tutorials instead of going through all the documentations and doing lot of research. And so basically in this first video, I'm going to simply teach you like how to create a developer free trial account. But we have certain disadvantages of free trial account. You can only have till 10 number of users, and if you take subscription of Okta, then you can have as many as you pay through them. So now we will see the practical step-by-step demonstration, like how can you create your free developer account. So you just need to go to Okta developer free trial. Like you need to search like that. Go to the sign up page, and in sign up page select integrator, and there you need to enter your certain details such as first name, last name, email address, and company name. So I'm entering my first name like Mathswala, last name is Suraj Mato. And one thing is regarding email address, you cannot use Gmail. You need to have email of private word is either you can use from your organizations, or you can use from college email, like college providers one email. So that I'm using also right now, and you just need to enter that, and you need to click on sign up. So once you click on sign up, this screen will be pop up like verify email. So whatever you email you have put here, you need to go that email, go to inbox, and there click on activation, active your account. Once you click there, you will have option of entering password. Set your password there. Make sure that it follow all the criteria mentioned above. So enter your password, and apart from it, you need to install one applications, authenticator application, that Okta does not use any other application. They have their own authenticator application, that is Okta Verify. You need to download it from the Play Store. Once you download it, you need to scan the scanner, and once you scan this and process is done, you will see the OTP that you can use for login. And now you can see we have login into Okta, and this is the dashboard. And in the upcoming videos, we are going to see many new config, such as service provider, identity provider, as I have already mentioned in the earlier part of the video. So I hope this video help you, and if this help you, please do like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching this video.